or you won't be able to set up your calculator right. First thing is we need to reset it. Okay, so second plus 712. Okay, make sure you reset it. We're gonna graph it in radians. Okay, so the issue right now is that when you graph it, it's graphing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't want it to graph 1, 2, 3. I want it to graph pi over 4, pi over 2. So make sure your mode is in radian, which it should be because you reset. Excuse me. It should be, if you reset, it should be in degree. And now go to window. Okay, that's the one I want to introduce to you, is the window. So X minimum is this side of the screen. X
I don't see window.
Window, it should be at the very, very top.
It's not showing. Oh.
Got it? You're good. You're good. And then the right side of the screen is the window max, the X max, Y min, Y max. Okay, just to explain it to you. So, you know how we graphed it by hand, the tangent? How far did we go? To the right. 2 pi, right? So right here, we want to do 2. Excuse me. To 2 pi. We want it to count all the way to 2 pi. In the left side, to negative 2 pi. So it matches what we did on the paper, okay? Okay, and then what was each one of the dashes, what were we counting by? 45, which is what? In radians. Pi, you see it? Pi over 4. Okay, so right here at X scale, we don't want it to count by ones, we want it to count by pi over 4. And that's how coughed and let me sleep last night. Okay, now it converts it to decimals, but we know what they are. Okay, this is negative 2 pi, 2 pi, pi over 4. What that does, it matches what we did by paper, by hand, exactly. Okay, so now you can go on here and then we can plug it in. 4 tangent x. If anybody needs help with the settings, I'll go help you here in a second. Okay, and then just graph it. Now, it may look the same to you, but it's not, okay? Unfortunately, on decimals, like it will, like it'll say the numbers on there, but on here it doesn't. But just know this is pi over 4, just like you told it. That's pi over 2, that's pi, so on and so on. This is 2 pi. Okay, so here's how we're gonna find the vertical asymptote. Do you guys see it? Could you sketch it if I asked you to, right? Obviously, it's not here, because that's touching the line, right? It's not there. Is it here? Yeah, right? Because if I do it on this one, look. Okay, so do you see how to spot it? It's right here, look. You can see both of these lines are shining away from it. Okay? So what is that tick mark? It's the second one. That's the part you have to, it's pi over 2. Do you guys see it? It's pi over 2. The second one is pi over 2. So when we come back here, pi over 2. So x equal pi over 2 plus always n pi. And that's it. And that's all. If they asked us, if they wanted us to sketch it, it's right here. Okay. Okay. Here, let's try just one more together. Let me separate this part.